Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and right trunk. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the fan and right support bracket. Remove the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right support bracket to the top cover. Lift the right support bracket off of the top cover. Guide the power connector cable through the cutout and remove. Replacement. Guide the power connector cable through the cutout in the right support bracket and place it into position on the top cover. Replace the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right support bracket to the top cover. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the right support bracket and fan. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more awesome videos and weekly updates.